Harden 20 volts brushless cordless circular saw, equipped with 140mm saw blade. Cord-free design for easy work anywhere, anytime. Anti-misoperation safety switch. Widened and thickened metal base plate. Sliding body design for labor-saving operation. Zero to 45 degrees multi-angle bevel cutting. Built-in dust ejection port for chip clearance. Up to 50mm cutting depth. Single press cut for wood lumber. Freely adjustable cutting depth. Rolling blade guard with 180 full coverage protection. Product information.